Good morning, day 3, Sydney. We're just off to have some brekkie. We've got another big day of Jobman team training. This client's awesome. They're actually my favorite. They're 2 partners who are great at what they do. It's going to be perhaps a little bit challenging because the team haven't used the Jobman system and the software before, but you know me by now, I look forward to a challenge. It's not easy trying to travel and grow a business and at the same time have a team to run. I'm looking, and if you're watching this video and you want a job, we're always looking for doers. We're looking for people who want to be the best at what they do, who can think and talk, but at the end of the day, they just want to do. Managing the team is awesome, but it obviously comes with challenges. Like working with people has always been challenging. Yet I've got to maintain a level head that the people in those roles are more than capable. It is my job as a leader to remind them of what the importance is, and to make sure that they're able to understand their priorities and that priorities pivot and they don't feel like we're going left and right. They know that we need to do what needs to be done immediately. For example, creating a tool that would allow me to send out 10 proposals in 2 hours instead of 10 proposals in 2 days, using those automations that we talk about, and really just streamlining the process, because that's what we're here to do. Right now I'm feeling frustrated. I'm here to have breakfast, pulled out the laptop, got staff to pay, I've got emails to get back to. I'm just going to get into it so we can get our asses out of here and get to the client, put on a brave game face, smash out training, and then fly out to Wagga. We will. How are you, Dad? So I'll go to the first one, is Betty Abbas. Yeah, easy done. All right, thank you. It's one of them mornings. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Ready to go? We'll smash it. Just arrived at our next client. Jobman training, here we go. Super excited. As I said before, these guys are freaking awesome.
Kill the fun, don't it? So you're saying that would happen automated? Well done. Love it.
No, because it was, for us it was 2 years of because that's how long we've been going at it. Yeah, so you can try again. So before, Dave, what would happen is it would take you to our login screen. Yep. Now we've removed that. You no longer need to do that, which is great. So we've just finished training session 1. This morning I worked with the 2 owners of the business here in the joinery that we're working with. We went through how to convert, how to create a contact, how to convert that into a lead, and then how to create a job out of the lead, and also attach a quote to that. Now the interesting part that I learned was, and this is a note to my future self, is joiners by default didn't spend a lot of time in school. So trying to give them 1 or 2 hour blocks of learning is actually not a great idea. What I did do, and what you should probably do, is break it down into smaller chunks that is easily consumable, and make sure that what you're teaching is visual, because lots of words and talk just doesn't hit home. Now after that, and after this, we're going to head down to the factory and show the boys on the factory floor how to use the app on their phone and just make it so simple that anybody can use it. But in any case, I'll get everyone to pull out their phones. We're going to put the app on your phone. Add to home screen. Everyone, go back into the app. Give them whatever permissions you've got to give them. So you have a bit of a data duplication. What we suggest there is delete your inbox, the email, and then come back and reply through Jobman. I realize we keep talking about systems, and every now and then I keep dropping the word Jobman. This is what Jobman is. For our manufacturing clients, it's an end-to-end ERP system. Dollar down JP, what the fuck does that mean? Simple. Saves you time, it makes you money, gives you visibility. From a business operations point of view, it sits you at the top of your world, so you know everything that's happening within your business. What does Empire Blueprint do? We train, we teach, implement, integrate, and anything else you could think of. We also support you along the way. When you're putting in these new, huge, big systems in your work, and you don't know where to begin, we're the ones you should be asking. It's really hard sometimes when you're scaling a business, you're still having to be boots on the ground, training, making sure things are going fine. And in the meantime, I get 7 missed calls from current clients who are progressed through the system but have questions. Yeah, I know that you get through it, but fuck, it can be tiring. In any case, we've got a job here to do, so I'm putting on my hat of I'm here now, I've got to be present. And right now we're going to go to shoot some testimonials.
Anyone who's thinking about getting Jobman, honestly, just go straight to Empire Blueprint and get beyond just the surface level of Jobman, because unless you're a wizard, then yeah, I'll be shocked if anyone gets beyond that level.
Oh, right on time.
You nailed it.
I'm going to pack up and run.
We did it.
All right, take care. Thank you again. See you, Matty.
Drive in, or did you get a meal or something?
Another day of training done. This was a really, really small team. I loved it. Really, really intimate. Got to know them on an individual level, trained them up to be very knowledgeable in their areas. Testimonial went well, absolutely crushed it. What did happen is I can see I'm going to be back here for more training because they need it. Now, we're on our way to the airport. I need to eat and I need to sleep, and I'll see you at day 4.